Alright, we're back fishing. I caught about 8 so far, lost about 4. So, it's going good. So I did switch ponds. I was at another pond, caught just one, and saw about a 5-foot snake. If I cast a little weird, I'm in a very, very tight spot. And it makes it worse. There might be an alligator in here too, and I'm in a really bad spot because I've seen one in here before, years ago. I don't want to find out if it's still here. I'm gonna chop it out. Golly. Almost ate it. We might not be traveling very far, but we're gonna travel. I'm by myself too. It's fine. Do whatever you gotta do. I thought I had one right there, I don't know. No, I'm not on grass, I don't know. Stupid tree. There's a bush pushing right into my back and it kind of hurts. Fishing in an insanely tight area. Don't have much casting room. Just gotta make it work though. I don't know if a fish just tried to grab it or not, but I felt something hit it. Not sure what. And there's no way I can get over there. We'll just have to make this area work for a little bit. I could go back to the other side too. we're here at the bank. Got right off. Got right off. All good though. Got my phone a little bit wet. Yeah, a lot of these bass are pretty small. There are definitely large ones in here. It's just most of these fish right now are small. There's large ones in here, I know that. It's just there might not be very many. But there are hundreds of bass in here. There you go, right here. Biggest one of today? No, maybe. Borderline. Not a bad one. Let me get him on the hook. Alright. There he goes. Let me just fix my pole up real quick. There we go. Alright, we're good. Not bad, not bad. These bass are healthy though. I can say that. Some healthy looking fish. At the end of this video, I'm going to post pictures of the fish that I caught from earlier. Some of them I didn't really take pictures of. Some of them I did. But I did take pictures of some. I'm gonna walk. Spot where I almost slipped. Right there where I almost slipped. Alright, it'll be good when I get over here in the opening. Oh, no, I got one. I do got one. Oh, it's little. Oh, it's not that little. I didn't even know I had one. Here he is. Not a bad one. Where's he even hooked it? Ooh. Okay, he needs to calm down. I barely even had him lipped. He wrapped the entire fishtail around him. He rehooked the fish body to the hook, which wrapped around the inside of his lip. They're eating up this chatterbait. I went there top water to see if they'll blow it up, which I'm pretty sure some of them will blow it up. But I'm not trying to wait that long on that. Actually, it is about time for top water anyways. It's getting later in the day. I don't know. I don't really like throwing top water that much unless it's in the morning. I think I'll do it in a little bit. Probably off recording. I don't know. I'll think about it. Because one hook's already enough for dealing with little fish. I don't need 2 hooks on the fish's mouth, especially at treble. I don't need that in their mouth either. You ain't ever getting that out in a while. Hoping a big one eats it. There's lots of small ones in here, like I said. I don't know if that was a grass patch down there or I had a fish. I don't know. Here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna drive real quick to the other side of the pond, but you can skip from here until I just made a big old hole in the mud. You can skip from here until you see me obviously parked and outside the vehicle. So if you want to, go ahead and start skipping. For people who don't skip, will get to see me catch a fish, or maybe catch a fish right out this corner. And for those who don't decide to skip, like I said, we'll see me do a couple more casting. Alright, you can skip from here. Like I said, just keep on skipping. Skip till you see me not driving. Unless if you want to watch, then that's up to you completely. So, if anyone wants to watch, I'll set you right up in here. Now we're here, so it's nice. I was here. We're just gonna kind of keep walking as we go here. Let me fix my bait real quick. Oh, it's got mud all on the top of it too. That'll come off in a minute. We're just gonna go like kind of back to the deeper waters, somewhat. We'll get back to stuff here. I saw a bass jump right there on top of the water. Maybe it's time for topwater soon. Sorry for not talking a little bit. I'm just kind of a little focused on fishing. I hope someday I could be solid in YouTube and stuff. So I'm just trying to go fishing as much as possible. There's some days I don't post a lot. Some days I do post somewhat decently. There's a baby bass. I don't know if my finger's pointing the right way, but there's a baby bass right in front of me. It's swimming off. Little baby bass. Baby bass. sink. These bats kind of went a little bit quiet on me here. What happened to that? All that biting and stuff, they kind of went a little bit quiet. It's getting hot out here, that's all I know. More deer tracks everywhere. I'm gonna take a second real quick.